Hi, this is Nitishna from SRM Engineering College. As we have proposed a solution for major area of smart manufacturing, and the problem statement is to develop a suitable technology to track deep sea fishermen and their location. Now, the current issue going on is that there are more number of fishermen who have been caught up between the government for border crossing while deep sea fishing. As of information gathered, as the major concern is that some of the fishermen doesn't able to identify the border and have been lost through it, and some of them aren't aware of any updation on the weather condition and doesn't have a strong signal to communicate in terms of emergency. So to overcome all this crisis, we have developed a global information system based dashboard along with the salient features such as compass, weather, rescue plan, offline maps that provide the route to the nearest port, incident reporting, weather details from potential fishing zones, alert during storm with no internet connectivity, and also some external features too. About 60% of the crisis is being rectified from the salient future itself. On the other side, now let's move on to identifying the current location. We have been using a GPS Neo 6 SM to determine the latitude and longitude, and the results are being compared to previously defined values to determine the exact fishing point location. And also, we use this automated decision aid capable of continuously determining a vessel position about land, charted objects, navigation aids, and also unseen hazards. While crossing the country border, the system provides an intimation to land control system and also to the coastal guards, and a buzzer intimation for first and second border identification. And while crossing the final border, the boat engine automatically turns off through reverse motor mechanism as a DC relay motor. Thus, the problem can be rectified through better accountability for both fishermen and also for the authorities. The solution is simple, cost effective, and user friendly. At last, thank you for giving this opportunity to us, and we are eagerly waiting for the latest stages. Thank you.